Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Wix tutorial. In this video I will show you how to delete your Wix account. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now the first thing you want to do is to go over to your Wix account and log in. Once you've done that, simply go over to your account in the top right and click on account settings. You'll then be sent over to your account settings page and you want to scroll down all the way until you see close your account. You'll then see that to close your account, you will first need to move any remaining sites to trash, and if your account has any premium plans or domains connected, you'll need to transfer or cancel them first. So go back over to your Wix account manager or to the My Sites page, and then what you simply want to do is to remove all of your pages. So click on Site Action, click on Move to Trash, and then click on Move to Trash Yes. Now just to be clear, your sites are still available in the trash page, however they're not published anymore, so no one is able to access them, but you will be able to recover them by clicking on the site action and click on restore site. However, if you delete your account, obviously you don't need to restore your account. Now because I'm not actually planning on deleting my account, I will not go ahead and delete all of my stores. However, that is simply what you need to do, and if you do have a premium page or domain and you can't delete it, you want to transfer it. So click on transfer site and then simply transfer your site to another Wix account. So fill in the Wix account email or fill in the Wix email of the new account owner and then fill in the email of the new website owner. Then you might want to uncheck the keep my role as a website manager of this site after the transfer and then simply click on next. And once you've done that, you will be all set and you can go ahead and delete your Wix account.